Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to learn the last concept of integer. Yes, in last class also we are discussed some important points about the last binary operation, that is division of integers. We complete addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we are discuss on the three operations on word problems also. And today we are going to discuss the last exercise 1.4. That exercise containing only a division of integers. Once we have to revise it, what we are discussed in the previous class, we revised and go to discuss about your exercise 1.4 problems. Okay, in previous classes we are discussing the division of integers. On the basis of division of integers, I will give some of the statement, very important statement. Okay, when a positive integer is divided by negative integer, the quotient is obtained negative and it will be and vice versa. So here one positive integer and another one is negative integer. When a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient is always negative. So quotient ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 2 ones 2 8s, it will always negative. Okay, vice versa ಅಂದರೆ it is opposite. Now minus 16, one negative integer divided by a positive integer, it can be divided simply, it is also a negative quotient. This is the first very important statement, and now listen the second statement. Division of negative integer by another negative integer gives a positive quotient. ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದ ಕೋಷಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕೋಷಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿಲ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಕೋಷಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. These 2 points are very important, you should remember, and the basis of these 2 points we are discussed so many problems in your exercise 1.4. So we have to discuss one by one. I think in the previous classes we are discussed already A and B problem. Okay, we realized once and we are going to discuss the remaining part of your exercise problem. Let me go and remember, a positive integer and a negative integer, the quotient is always negative, and a negative integer divides another negative integer, the quotient is always positive. As usual, in positive integer is divides the positive integer, the quotient is always positive. You that point you already discussed in your previous and primary classes also, so that's why I'm not stressed that statement. You should remember that statement. Shall I go and discuss about an exercise 1.4? First one, second one also we recapitulate once. Okay, your exercise 1.4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಇಂದ up to HI, and some of the students were trying very neatly and very clearly, so I think I will appreciate it. So they were solving very neatly. What are the points I will tell you in the video classes, that statements they were follow up and they were solved very neatly, and some of them were not writing homework, classwork, anything also. What's your problem? I can't understand. So I hope you are all understand the division of integer, I think. So today class we are discuss one by one problems. Okay, these are all the problems 1.4. You also take a textbook and write and solve without referring of video classes. Okay, so look at here, I'm writing the questions here. So first one we already complete, I think. Is it? We are completed first one. So 30 divided by 10. Simply we are taking this as minus 30 divided by 10 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 10 divides 30, ಹೀಗೂ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 10 3s are 30. The quotient is 3. It is not a 3, it is minus 3. ಹೀಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಥವಾ 10 1s 10 3s, here minus is there, minus we have already write it. The quotient is minus 3. one negative integer divides a positive integer, the quotient is always negative. We proved it. It is negative. Okay, so let me check the next one problem. 50 divided by minus 5. Okay, are you clear now? So I am writing this type. It is now clear. Okay, so simply divide it. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Okay, 5 ones are 5 tens are. So remember, here 1 is positive integer divides a negative integer. So what is the quotient is always? Yes, the quotient is always negative. The quotient is minus 10. Okay, so here they got upon negative integer divided by positive integer. Observe these two problems. So and the problem B, the positive integer divided by negative integer. The quotient is all remaining both two problem. The quotient is always negative. Quotient to negative form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, and next one simply without division you only tell me that. So once you practice this type of problem, you simply write without any division, you directly write the quotient. ನೋಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36 ಇದೆ. 36 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 9 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 9 4s 36. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ quotient is always positive. The negative integer divides and another negative integer, the quotient is always positive. It gives a positive quotient ಅಂತ in a last class we are discussed already. Okay, so as usual we are check it. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೈನಸ್ 36 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ minus 9. You simply divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, and this minus and this minus get cancels, and the quotient is 4. The quotient is 4. Okay, this is a way of solving the problem. This is a type of solving the problem. Let me do another one, that is D. This is a very tough problem, is it? See here, minus 49 divided by plus 49. 49 ones are, the answer is minus 1. Okay, and observe these are all one type of problem, and you see the problem it is too different to compare the previous problem, is it? Okay, so what are the specialty are involving in the problem? You see here 13 divided by, so here are you observe here bracket is there, in the bracket minus 2 plus 1 ಇದೆ, sorry minus 2 plus 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. No, you just simplify this, and after next we had starting the division. Just simplify it. Take this product, take this bracket. Okay, so 13 divided by, so we'll got one number for this simplification, is it? ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, so we are simplified it. So how we can simplify it? You simply see here, so this bracket is open up, and we have to write this bracket in your right hand side. Minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so and this simplest we have to open up the bracket. In front of this plus sign is there, plus into minus is minus 2 plus 1. The answer is what? Are you remember the simplification of integers, addition and subtraction of integers? You recapitulate it. I think you are all forget the multiplication sign also, sign multiplication also, is it? Simply 1 minus and another one is plus, we just simply subtract it. 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1. So in an integer lesson I will tell you so many times the sign is very important, and sign is very important. Here it is plus 1 or minus 1. After this simplification we'll got the negative answer or positive answer. I want to the answer, is it is positive or negative? I want to the answer. Yes, exactly, It is negative answer, -1. Miss, how can you tell it is -1? Simply will take this and split in. This is 2 minus 1 is 1. The biggest number opposite sign is minus. Then we have to write here minus. Okay, simplification after we got 3 divided by this. After the simplification of this bracket, we will got the answer, that is -1. You should put the bracket for negative integers, I will tell you. So in the negative sign you always put the bracket. And this is a type of division. 13 divided by -1. The quotient is, yes, -13. 1 1s 1 13s ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ -13. Okay, 0 divided by -12. And remaining 3 problems are left. This type of problem also very important. So division ಅಂತಂದರೆ you imagine, right, like this only division sign ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we are simply divide it and write the quotient ಅಂತ. No. So and so many different patterns of problems also involving in this exercise. For this ಫಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೀಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 0 divided by -12. So yes, it is too difficult. 0 divided by any number is 0 divided by any number is what? And I know some problems, some doubt you only create. So here in previous year, previous 7th standard batches tell me, Miss, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 divided by -12 ಇದೆ. So that's why 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0, we know. But in case of negative integer, Miss, we have to writing -0, Miss. Negative integer ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ is positive integer and another one is negative integer ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we write the quotient as -0. Is it they were telling that question? So that's why you also framing the question. So now I clarify your doubts. Here ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ 0. Here there is no -0, there is no +0. And in an introduction class of an integer lesson, I will tell you 0 we will consider as an either positive number and nor it is negative number. So that's why we are not writing -0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, so the -0 ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, 0 ಅಂದರೂ the value is 0 only. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿತ್ ಝೀರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 0 divided by any positive number or negative number, the quotient is 0. You should remember. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -0 ಬರಲ್ಲ, that should be remember in your mind. That is only 0. Because 0 we are consider as it is an either positive integer and nor negative integer. Okay. So now you clarify your doubts and then we have to go the next problem. The problem G. Yes, so compare the he problem. So here also the bracket form is there. Here 2 division sign is there. So carefully observe and write the answer. It is a very important. See here, -36 divided by 12 and next divided by 3 there. So first we should open up the brackets. Okay, first brackets na open up ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So here -36 divided by 12 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. we just simplify it. 12 1s is 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Here we'll got the quotient is 3. The simplification answer for this bracket is 3. Is it is +3? Are you observe? No, it is -3. -3 divided by 3. So next, -3 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are. The answer is It is not a plus 1, this is minus 1, one negative integer ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Okay. The last problem, see here. So here also some of the simplification is there. Minus 6 divided by 5 divided by minus 2 divided by 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So you also open the textbook and watch that problem. Here you observe and write the problem proper way ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಯರ್ minus 6 plus 5 ಇದು minus 6 plus 5. Here it is not a division sign, this is plus sign. So you write the problem properly, don't give that type of mistake. Okay, so we simply, this is one simplification and this is one simplification alva. So we'll got one answer for this simplification, we'll got one answer for this simplification. So and both the answer in the middle, the division sign is there. Okay, so idra answer divided by idra answer. So first we have to take the first one bracket, minus 6 plus 5. We just simplified it first. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ minus 6. ವಿ ಓಪನ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, minus 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಟ್, minus 2 plus 1 ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 6 plus 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 plus 1 ಇದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ minus 5 minus 6 plus 5. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 6ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 1. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So okay, this simplification answer is illide minus 1. Put the bracket because this is a negative integer. And this simplification answer illide. You also put this bracket because this is also a negative integer. And lastly, minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus minus get cancelled. 1 ones are 1 ones are. 1 divided by 1 is nothing but the answer is 1 only. So okay, this is a type of solving, and write up to A in the high vargu. The problems are you write very neatly in your classwork. Okay, and take the second one problem. Verify that A divided by B plus C, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So they were giving A and B and C value. If you are tried, you can try it. Otherwise, you write this main very neatly in your classwork. And tomorrow classes we are discussing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. Okay. And the last, we are ending of this lesson. So after this problem, we are end this lesson, and next classes we are complete this lesson. Okay. And you write very neatly the classwork. Okay. Okay, and do the homeworks. Take all these problems once in your waste rough book to solve without referring of any classwork. So that's why once you practice all these problems, you just only do yourself. These are all very simple problems. Okay, thank you. I hope you are all understanding it, I think. Okay.